Welcome back to SL Chennai Speaks Out Season 2. Should the death penalty be retained or abolished? This is a round where I think the panelists who are wearing suits are going to take their suits off, roll up their sleeves.
It's not just legal argument. You take away life, you don't give a person a chance to reflect, to decide to reform, and to become another human being as part of us.
See, that's what, there is no question of a person reforming. That's what, there are various safeguards, built into the system. See, death penalty, again I want to reiterate the fact that death penalty is not just like that awarded to any Tom, Dick and Harry. It is awarded to a person who has got extreme depravity of mind. Just imagine the kind of crime he has committed. See, death penalty has been awarded to a person who has committed, in cold blood 10 persons for taking away his property. Death penalty has been awarded to a person who has committed rape and murder of a 1.5-year-old child, a girl child. And death penalty has been awarded to a person who has, committed 160, who has killed 160 persons. So there is no question of reformation. Forget reformation. Death penalty is awarded to a person who is beyond reformation.
That's the state.
There is no question of, reformation for that person.
That's the state. The state is beyond reformation, not the person.
Let's not divert the topic.
No,
we are here talking about whether death penalty can be awarded, whether reformation is an option. Whether reformation is an option for a person who has been awarded death penalty.
Okay, now I'm asking you a question now.
One more point I want to reiterate is that, earlier in the debate they were talking about there is a single possibility that an innocent person may be hanged and his life cannot be, brought back to, reality. But I am telling you, in all the cases, there is no question of an innocent person put to death, hanged to death. There are inbuilt systems. It is utmost safeguards are there. See, death penalty is not straight away handed over because one judge gives, okay, you are going to be hanged, he is not going to be hanged. A session judge hands over death penalty, it is about to be confirmed by the High Court, then it has to be affirmed by the Supreme Court. Then only a person can be, even after that, you are liable to be, apply for clemency to the President.
Can we go?
Sorry, after reference trial, unless the
all.
person convicted wants to go for an appeal, there is no question of going to the Supreme Court. One, this is misleading. Secondly, another thing which we will have to think about is the judiciary has no mechanism to find out whether the person has really reformed or not, or whether he will reform or not. All these things are beyond the purview or the capabilities or capacity of the sitting judges who award sentences.
Correct.
No, there is one question I would like to throw. We all say that life and liberty is a fundamental right. One life should not be taken, and that is why we say death penalty should not be there and it should be removed. Now I am asking three questions. In a terrorist act or whatever is a rebellious act, 121 people die in Mumbai in the hotel, innocent people. Hundreds of people die in the train while they travel because of some dynamite or bomb is kept. Number of people died in. I am talking about. Wait. I have not yet completed. I am only saying people should not die means we have not reached that. There is one more aspect I wanted to say. There are 80,000 people are dying in the road accident in India for every year. 80,000 people. So your death penalty, how many people are there is 40 people or not. When we see the ratio of people dying under death penalty versus ratio of people dying are various reasons, whether not following law.
15 executions in 18 years in India.
Yes. So, if that is taken into account, which life we want to protect first? Whether this death penalty of 15% or people die in thousands, lakhs.
All right, also.
No state, no judiciary has the right to take away a person's life. Otherwise, you withdraw from all international conventions which you have signed. Remove your signature. If I tell you which countries do not have death penalty, you will be shocked. We say that we are not yet, Vijay Kumar says we have not yet reached a stage of maturity and civilization. What nonsense. On one side we claim 6-lane roads. Why are accidents increasing, Vijay Kumar? Vijayan, you have 6-lane traffic, people are not able to cross. You do all this modernity for 10% of the population.
There's no pedestrian.
80% of this country people are living, this is as per Prime Minister Sengupta's study. 80%, 78% are living at 20 rupees a day on poverty.
South Africa has abolished death penalty because it is misused. In the apartheid government, it was misused.
How is
Therefore,
it
they
not
abolished.
misused in India?
It is not misused in India.
Who are you to decide that?
Because we have seen the system. We have been
Eh?
part of the system. We
You
know
are
how
one
the system
small
operates.
public
We
prosecutor.
know how the system operates. We know how many people have been
What-
hacked.
how can
and
you
what is
decide
the
that?
thing? We know that.
I know what this, I know how,
18,
I know how
15%,
judges,
18%,
you have one
18 years.
Dinakaran sitting in the court
18
and
years,
he'll make
18 years.
decisions
Let's
on
not,
death
let's not get
penalty.
out of the topic. I'm saying 18
No,
years,
no, no,
15%
no.
were hanged.
The judiciary is fallible.
It is fallible. It is
100%.
fallible, but there are enough
It is
proofs.
fallible.
At
You
least in the
can't
case
have
of a
an
death
irreversible
penalty, there are
hang.
enough
You
safeguards,
can't hang.
enough checks and
The
balances where an innocent
prosecution
person will not
is
be
most
hanged.
fallible.
When
It
the
is fallible.
prosecutor
That's what it
accepts
might
it
be
is
fallible.
fallible,
Might
you
be
cannot
fallible.
have an
But in the case of a
irreversible
death
sentence.
penalty, there are enough
How?
safeguards, checks and balances
You and the judge
to show
decide
that,
together.
there will not be, the innocent
How
person
can
will
you
not be
and the
prosecuted.
judge who are fallible, how can you all decide to take away life?
It's not only judges who are fallible, it is
there
you
is
who's fallible,
one aspect
it is
I would
me
like
who's
to say,
fallible,
sir.
it is everybody are fallible.
I agree.
That is what.
That
we
is
are
why I'm
fallible,
saying
but
don't have-
that is why there
that
are
is
enough
why
checks
I'm
and
saying don't
balances.
have death
That is why
penalty.
we have a three-tier system.
If the state does not keep the death penalty in rare cases, then the instance of people taking the law into hand will come.
No.
Whether
not
we need it.
supported
It
by-
will come.
There is
Why-
no evidence
film
to
like
support
Chennai
this.
Coal Urban gets become
You
a big
look,
success.
after Otto Shankar was killed in Tamil Nadu, you know the number of crimes that have been done by the political establishment? How many people have been killed? How many
There is
encounter,
no
how
connection.
many
There is
encounter
no
deaths?
connection between
See, when a
abolition
when
or inclusion of
persons
death
Otto
die
penalty
Shankar's
when
death
persons were
has
burnt-
not stopped rowdyism.
When persons were burnt to death in Madurai, all of us know the prosecution has withdrawn a case.
No, that is
That's
the
death,
distorting. They have not
murder,
gone to death.
per
They have
se.
not gone to. This
The
is
state
distortion of
has
fact.
its own
They were
whims
not
and
gone to
fancies.
death. They were choked to
They
death.
were
Let them
burnt
get the
to death.
facts right
The-
and
the-
talk.
the
Don't make
judiciary could
sweeping
have said that
statements.
it is done.
Don't make sweeping statements.
they-
Don't
I
make
don't
sweeping
support
statements.
that.
This
When they
is
filed
not.
the-
They were
no,
not gone to
when
death.
they filed
Let
the
them
charge
not-
sheet,
let
when
them
they
not
filed the
put something
FIR,
else and
when
talk
they
here.
filed the FIR, the
was done, it was
accused
done.
were on the opposition side. Doing away with a person's life is irreversible. He loses not only his life, the entire family loses a person,
No, there is
the
one-
neighbors lose
one
him.
interruption
Do you
for
mean to say
Sudha.
that you can take away?
I am agreeing. State
Sorry,
excess is-
Vijayan,
no,
you know
I'm
what the
only-
state
I'm
is.
Only, I'm only saying.
And the public prosecutor accepts the
No, I'm
system
not.
is
I'm not
lawful.
saying anything about the.
It is not flawless.
No, I'm only saying. She was saying about the fallacies or the weakness of a state organs in not protecting the
The
life.
atrocious
No, no, I
nature of the
am not.
state organ,
I am
not
not.
the
I am not. I
weakness.
am not
The
against
powers
that
of the state
statement.
organ,
I am
not the
asking.
weakness.
I am not. I am not for it. I am only asking. Right or wrong, you have a state. If the state will not protect, who will protect? When who will protect? Whether you will have a lawless society.
Aussie, answer that.
Protect with life,
No, I am not-
imprisonment.
You have to
No, no,
protect
I'm
the life. We don't
saying,
say there should be no
I am not
torture.
saying that criminals should be left free.
Yes.
Please do not misunderstand me. I am saying that there is a process of imprisonment, there is a process of scientific reformation in prisons, there is a process of the person returning to live in dignified life. That process, you let the person who has been convicted of crime go through.
There is an example given. How about Bhagat Singh being executed? Do you support it? Bhagat Singh being executed by the law of the British saying it's a sedition. There is a vast majority. I will not yet complete it. Please wait. Allow me to complete. There is a lots of people. There is a.
The state
There is a
which
lots
also
of
gave us
people.
IPC.
There is a lots of
The country
people.
which gave us
There is a
IPC.
lots of people who have supported Bhagat Singh. So he becomes after the penalty, he is a warrior or whatever name you call him. That's a different issue. But when we put the questions like somebody killing about 100 people in a hotel, somebody derailing a train and killing innocent people, somebody burns students. Do you have the public support? Do you have the public support what the Bhagat Singh had for them? So we do not have Bhagat Singh and
Let me tell you.
No.
State is selective in its.
See, that is not whether the state is selective in prosecution or non-selective in prosecution is not the issue here. The issue here is whether death penalty should be abolished or it should
And
be,
it is
still
flawless,
hang out.
not
See,
flawless.
one important aspect which we'll have to see is it is being projected as if death penalty arbitrarily handed over. It is not so. See,
could
Supreme
be.
Court
It
says,
is
Supreme Court
flawless,
says,
not
Supreme Court
flawless.
says, if somebody is going to be handed over with the death penalty, how it has to be done. See, you'll have to balance both an aggravating circumstances and mitigating circumstances. See, why he did that crime? What made him do that crime? See, did he do that in a heat of passion? Did he do that?
state
You know,
will do away-
let me
send away
finish,
the,
madam. Let me finish, madam. I
Union
never
Carbide,
interrupted. I never interrupted when you were talking. I
the
never
Union
interrupted.
Carbide,
See, the Supreme Court says
managing
you should take a
director-
balance sheet. If the aggravating circumstances is more than the mitigating circumstances, then that guy has to be put into the gallows. It is projected as if death penalty is just like
And
that handed
this was
over.
responsible
Just
for
because the
thousands of
prosecutor is
people
asking for a death
dying.
death penalty is handed over to the victim, to the accused person. It is not so.
And
It is got lot of inbuilt mechanisms, lot of checks and balances.
The
It
mechanism
is there.
will give
It is
a
there.
VIP
So I am telling
treatment
you,
to
I am
people who
assuring you
are
as part of the
murdered en
system.
masse.
I am just telling you that
Anderson
a death
was
penalty
responsible for the
cannot
death
be handed
Let him
over.
finish,
A
let
death
him-
penalty cannot be handed over to an innocent person. A death penalty cannot be handed over to a person who does not deserve it in India.
It is.
I am arguing, it's very simple, that please understand, death penalty has been issued by the courts on numerous cases. But if you look at, it has to go ultimately to the cabinet, then it goes to the president. Please understand this. It goes on clemency. For several years, in fact, the previous president, Kalam, he took 71 cases and said that all these 71 cases can be put forward to the cabinet for clemency. So there is a mood in the country, in India, that death penalty must be done away with, both by the president, even the present president, and the cabinet. The difficulty is with the judiciary handing out from the lower court, going on appeals, going to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court saying, this is rarest of rare cases. Please understand who are the judges sitting in the Supreme Court. They are not looking at the social roots and grounds of those judiciary. This is the situation right now on death penalty. So I am pleading for a more public support, to abolish death penalty when the cabinet itself, when the president itself is examining these issues. India has not signed optional protocols. It has to sign. It has not even ratified the Convention Against Torture.
How do you answer Veerasamy, who lost his daughter Kokilavani? How do you answer them? Would you?
I am telling Veerasamy, sir, please, the people who killed, yes, they must go through whatever punishment process is there in a jail system up to life. But also, please look at other people who are dying because of state actions. We will work with you, Mr. Veerasamy. We will work with you, but let it be life and not death.
And the entire system of punishment also
But
could
then,
be
Aussie,
reformed,
sorry to interrupt. When you say
modified.
who are the judges of the Supreme Court, then the common people would be entitled to ask you who are the Aussie Fernandeses and who are the human rights activists to say they should not be hanged.
That's a long time debate between the judges and me. That we'll take on. We are human rights activists. We go by law. We go by rule of law. We definitely go by the social roots of crime. Why are people committing crime?
If it were to happen,
would
let me
like
ask
to
you,
also-
let me rephrase that. If it were to
To my
God
own
forbid-
son.
Yeah, somebody in your family, would you take the same stance?
Yes.
I'll-
Sonia Gandhi did it. Let's not go anywhere else.
I will definitely take a stand that please bring the person to me. Okay? You go through the judicial process. You please bring the person to me. I know what the political establishment does daily. How many people they are killing.
Also,
We
the
have
other
done
point that
fact
came up,
findings.
which Sudha Ramalingam raised, the other point that came up, what about Anderson, Union Carbide? How many people died there?
Nothing happened to him.
So what happened then?
Nothing.
He was given a red carpet exit.
And giving a red carpet welcome again.
Yes, and exit again. So this is how it will happen.
And like
So
that, and like
only
that,
such of, you just if you take out the statistics of those who have been executed or who have suffered capital punishment itself, at least by way of punishment, it would very clearly show it is only the lower middle class people, economically deprived, also socially in the lower rung of the ladder of the caste, have suffered capital punishment.
Time to get into another short break on SL Chennai Speaks Out. We spoke about the jury now, but we have the jury here called the audience. Let's see what they have to say. Stay tuned.